your girl Angie with Blessed Creations. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. I truly appreciate that. And let me say thank y'all for all my new subbies and all my old subbies. I appreciate each and every one of y'all to the fullest. Thank y'all so much for being here with your girl. So, without further ado, y'all, let me say, y'all see this big box beside me? Your girl is getting a little dangerous here with these Barbies. I don't know. But anyways, y'all, and why I say that. Today was the first time I ever ordered off of eBay. Usually I'm selling on eBay or whatever back in the past. It came yesterday. However, my mailbox, they put this in the mailbox, y'all, and it jammed up the lock. You know, where they put the packages in, they jammed it up. So I couldn't get my package out until today. So it is what it is. I was so like, ugh. But anyways, I can't wait to open this up with y'all. I have no clue if everything is in here that they showed on the picture. I don't know. I have no clue because I have not seen this yet. 2 vintage dolls, some clothing, and a case. Disclaimer, but I don't know if it's all in here. And I knew it would have some green ear issues and some flocking issues. I already know that. I am so excited because I am going to be repairing them one day. No time soon, but one day. So without further ado, y'all, let's get into this box. Let me bring y'all down here. We're going to go down here on the floor. All right, so let's get into, first let's cut this open and see what we working with. I prefer going to thrift stores, flea markets for Barbies, but it's kind of hard to find like these type of dolls there, like past like the 60s. Some people might find them in there at their flea markets. So for me out here, I have no luck yet with that, but I will continue to keep looking, that's for sure. So let's see what we got, y'all. Can y'all see that? I don't know, I might have to bring y'all down without my head. Okay, let's see. This is how they packaged it. In a bubble wrap. And I'm going to keep all this packaging because I am going to start back reselling on eBay myself. I think, oh, this is the plan. So we got that. It's a blue case. Just like it said in its description, it was a blue case. Y'all, I'm so nervous. Ooh, she kind of heavy. Okay, I am gonna have to bring y'all down lower so y'all can see. Look how neat. I am excited to open this case. Let me bring her closer so y'all can see. Y'all see that? Barbie and Ken. Yes. All right, so let's come down lower so we can really see. I don't know how y'all are packed in here. Oh, it has a stand. Oh, I have 2 stands. I did not know it came with the stands, y'all. Sometimes they don't come with the stands. I didn't see the stand in here. I am so... I got this. Okay, calm down, Angie. Calm down. Y'all see this? Let me bring it close. Are y'all close enough? I don't know if this is how it's packed. Like I said, this one is gonna have green ear, and I am gonna figure out how to clean that up, but I don't care. It's a genuine. Let me make sure. So it says Midge on her bottom. She does need to be cleaned up for sure. Let's see what kind of dress she's wearing. Okay, I don't know. Hold on. I don't know if somebody, did they make this dress or it's a homemade dress? Okay, I pray that I can get most of that green ear out of her. I wish it had the earrings in there, but they do not have the earrings. I have a real one. Oh my gosh, I'm just excited. I don't care. So this is the vintage original stand that Barbie and them came on. Okay, y'all, let me get Ken together. I am definitely gonna have to clean these up because they look like they're so dirty. They don't have an odor to them, but they just seem dirty. Hold on, Barbie, stay up there. Let me get Ken clothes. He come with his stand too. I'm excited. I did not know they came with the stands, y'all. And Ken is wearing, let me sit this over here real quick. Okay, Ken is actually wearing his original outfit that he had on. His hair needs to be reflocked, so I am looking for that stuff so that I can do it myself. I kind of want to make it black, but I don't know. We'll see what I find. I'm starting to think these ain't his shorts because look, they just keep falling. So that is amazing. Let me push y'all to the side here so that we can get into the clothing. All right. Actually, no, let's don't get into the clothing. Let's see what's in this bag here. So I knew it was suitcases. Okay, y'all, stand up there. Behave, boy, behave. Don't get the showing out because you're somewhere new. Okay, hold on, y'all. All right, so it came with these luggage. So let me move that out of the way. Which I did see on the thing here. So cute. Oh, here's something in that one. Nothing in this one. Is this one open? Oh, it's like, I don't know. Did I break that, y'all? Okay, no. Okay, so got a little luggage. You can put something in here. I feel like I put something. I don't know what I did. Oh, this is where all the shoes are at. These are all the little shoes. And the black one's Ken says Hong Kong on the bottom. Okay. So we have that pair. I don't know what these are. These need to be cleaned up. Like some type of ballet, I don't know, shoes. Here goes a little road map. How cute. This goes with open road. Say if y'all familiar with Barbie's clothing set. That goes with that. So I don't want to mess that up. Okay, all the pairs here is Ken's little, oh gosh, little what you call it, slides. Oh my goodness. Okay, moving on. So these are Japan. Awesome. Okay, she's gonna have some cute little shoes. We have that one. My sleeves, girl. I gotta get in here. Making sure they all say Japan. And they are the original shoes that came with the Barbies back in the 60s. Japan. It's amazingly cute. I think I saw this on with one outfit, like the Queen or somebody had that on. I'm not sure. There's a lot of black shoes in here. That's for sure. Okay, I don't see a Japan on that one. This pair. Oh, because on the toe it says what, Hong Kong. Yeah, Hong Kong. It says Hong Kong right there on the front toe. What about these ones? Okay, those doesn't say anything. Okay, we got Japan. Move these out of the way over here so I can see what I'm working with. I like the blue pair. Ooh. Blue is cute. Japan. Let's look at the cute pink ones. Japan. And this one goes to this Japan, but the heel is broken on that one. So this are Japan. The heel is broke. And what is this one? Okay. I'll tell you, we got 18 pairs of shoes. Awesome. And I don't know whose shoes these are. I don't know where they came from or what. Alright, so I have already Barbie open road little jacket, which is so cute. Now Ken has one that says TM, so that lets me know that it's definitely 60s. Oh my god, that is so. Moving on, let's see what else is in here. This is homemade or Best Buy or what, because it doesn't have a tag in here. This is so cute. It's made really good too. I'm gonna say that. Look at Barbie side, y'all. I just noticed that. Look at all the stuff that comes on with Barbie versus poor little Ken. I don't see nothing. Ken, oh gosh, this is the shorts for me. So I got them back in their box. Let me bring you up closer now. So yeah, what I was saying is, look at all the stuff that Barbie has on her side versus Polo Ken. You don't have anything. Okay, another little vintage type dress. You know, is these Best Buy? Can y'all please let me know down below in the comments? Somebody comment for me. Comment to your girl and let me know if these are like Mattel's Best Buy outfits. All right, next outfit we got this little brown dress. And it seems like it's small. I don't know. And snap it. They all got the snaps on it, and it just giving me, it's made really nice and good. I'm gonna put it to you that way, but I just don't know who made them. Is it Mattel? Because it's swell, but I don't know. Orange number here. Like it was definitely, oh, y'all, I'm just confused. Anyway, I'm just gonna hold them up because I don't know who they are because there's no tags. Maybe you may know who some of this stuff is. This looks like some type of overcoat that goes over a dress or something. Got that satin feel to it. So, again, no identification. This little yellow button up dress with the little dolly. Okay, moving on to this long pink dress. Evening gown, I guess you would call it. It doesn't have a snap, but it has the hooks. Like a hook, you know? Doesn't have a hook, but that is cute. See the back? Yes, I think that seems like that is going to be cute on and well made. Checkered green and white. I like these dresses right here. These are cute, even though it doesn't have anything else. But these are so cute. The halter top. And what kind of hangers are these? Stanley Home products. Pattern on this number. Whoever made these did an awesome job. Let me say that. The last of her hanging dress is another like bridal dress. We're about to upgrade her little wardrobe, y'all. So that is that. Now let's look inside of these accessory boxes. Ken has one, and Barbie has one. So let's start with Barbie since we already own Barbie. And it looks like it's some more homemade or Best Buy item. Cute. That is a cute little pink and brown. Brown and white checkered skirt, which opens up in the back. And her little, okay, we're loving that. And I'm about to say last. Oh, we have a little, what is this that goes? Oh, maybe this is a hat that goes to this number here. Yeah, I wish I could sew this good. I really do, because I would definitely be making some cute little outfits. So that is that one. And last of her drawer is this little green and white jacket here. Let's see what's inside of Ken's drawer. All right, Ken, do we got anything for you? Gosh, everything seems like it's for Barbie. Got a little knitted hat. Goes with this outfit, so I recognize that as Mattel. I do recognize. It's a blue and white bathing suit, like the black and white one she would be wearing. Okay, we got a rope to something. I don't know what this is. A belt to something. So don't throw these away. We keep all the strings because you just never know. Oh, we found the outfit down here on the floor. I think this was on Ken's side. So this is a little, look like a homemade jacket for Ken. Hang that up because Ken, we got to do some work with his clothes. I don't know what this is. Another little hat, I suppose. It's giving me shower cap. All right, we have some pajamas. Oh, they are so nice. So here's the top. That is beautiful. Look at the print on that. I don't know if my thing is picking that up. Like a little robe that I can recognize. So these are Ken little pants. Original with the black and white. We got a pair of slack pants. Awesome. Pajama set with the and last but not least, okay, wait, we have, what is this, Ken? I don't know what this is. Some little plastic pocket thing. I wonder if this was the roadmap was in. And then we have this cute little plastic like purse bag. Oh, is this his towel in his hand? I think that's what that is. That is all that was in this accessory box. All right, y'all, that is it for this eBay haul. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And if y'all know some of the outfits, please let me know if these are made by Mattel or are they homemade. I have no clue. Best Buy, I don't know. I have no clue. But I'm so excited for the dolls, which is what I mainly wanted. Thank y'all so much if you made it to the end of this video. Thank y'all. I appreciate y'all. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. I truly appreciate that. So until next time, y'all be blessed and y'all go out there and be a blessing to